Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your shipping address in Best Buy. The first I'd like you to do is to launch a Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. Now Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its consumers' needs. Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to change your shipping address in Best Buy. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you have this "Hi, add your name." Now click on that. It's going to take you to an extended window with more extended options. So here you have accounts, purchases, products, and method of subscriptions, member offers, all the way down to account settings. Now click on account settings, and it's going to take you to the account settings window. Once we get in there, I'm going to show you what exactly you can do to change your shipping address. So in this window, you have three categories: your info, account security, and connections. Head over to the first category. We have your info. Now you have addresses, payment methods, phone numbers, communication preferences, store pickup person, manage in stock notifications, and change your account name. Now in here, you're going to have to click on addresses. And once you click on addresses, you will now be able to add a new shipping address or change the previous shipping address. So let's say you've already added the shipping address. You're going to see your shipping address, and just right next to the shipping address, you're going to find two hyperlinks. One says change, one says remove. So if you want to remove the previous shipping address, then click on remove to remove it. Or if you want to click on change, click on change, and it's going to take you to the form that you can now edit. So edit it to change your shipping address. But if you want to add a new one, just go ahead and click on add an address. And once you click on add an address, you can now enter your first name, your last name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and after that, go ahead and click on save. And once you click on save, that's it. Your new shipping address is going to be saved and changed. So you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you, sir.